Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Carvana, and I'm going to be talking about my referral kit. So let's open it up and see what happens. Let's get into this video. It's Shay, the doll face. Hey, we back again. Don't think this was the last time because we come back again. Hey, it's Shay, the doll face. We back again. What? Don't think this was the last time because we come back again. Hey, it's Shay, the doll face. We back again. Don't think this was the last time because we come back again. Hey, it's Shay, the doll face. Okay, so first let's open it up. Oh, it's opening up both ways here. Let's see. Spread the Carvana love. Tell your friends and family about your Carvana experience, and if they decide to buy from us, they will save an extra $500. $500? Who don't want to save $500? If y'all buying a car, save $500. Okay, and they will thank you and give you a high five. And let's see. Oh, they have little cards for me to hand out. What does 4 cards mean for you? Okay, it means that they'll buy a car is a big decision. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, this seems pretty cool. They actually gave me some cards, y'all. So let's look at one of these cards. If I can get it out. It's kind of stuck in here. And make sure they don't go nowhere. Okay. It pays to have a great friend. $500 off. Can y'all see that? $500 off on your vehicle purchase from Carvana.com. Okay. And it tells you what to do. You have to create an account. I'm going to look at this copy while I'm telling you that. So you have to create an account. And before you complete your purchase, call the advocates. Once you call the advocates, then you tell them who referred you. Let's see. How do you tell them? Present the code below to your advocates along with the name of the person who referred you. Discount will be applied to your purchase. So $500 off, y'all. If y'all looking for a car, Carvana is great. I love my car. I'm in it right now, actually. I love my little car, y'all. Okay. So if you're looking for a car, $500 off. And I'm going to put this in the description box. All right. I got to go because I have like 10 minutes and I need to call my mom before my break's over. Everybody have a good day and be blessed. Bye-bye.